Lesson 5. Determiners. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. Look. A cat is in the bush beside the gate. My dog is jumping over the wall. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. We observe that the colored words point out or define the nouns they are preceding. So, such words are called determiners. Determiners, the words used before nouns to fix or define the nouns in various ways, are called determiners. Some determiners are a, an, the, my, this, some, either, every, enough, several, etc. These words are used to introduce a noun. Determiners come at the beginning of noun or noun phrases. Kinds of determiners. Article, a and the. A and an are called the indefinite articles, whereas the is known as a definite article. 1. Indefinite articles. Examples: A naughty baby, any baby. B. An apple a day keeps doctor away. Any apple. 2. Definite articles. Examples: The patient took a prescription to the chemist. A particular patient has been referred. B. Tickets for the movie are not available. Particular movie have been referred to. Demonstratives. Determiners like this, that, these, those, such, etc. are called demonstratives. Examples: A. These children are very intelligent in the class. B. This boy always comes at my home and knocks the door daily. Possessives. Determiners like my, our, your, his, her, their, etc. are called possessives. Examples: A. Her project was highly appreciated by the manager. B. Their proposal is worth considering for the society's progress. Numerals. Determiners called numerals may be classified as follows. 1. Indefinite, some, many, a few, the few, etc. Examples: A. Many people like to go by own vehicle. B. Some people are born to do something great. 2. Indefinite, 1, 2, 5, first, third, sixth, etc. are called definite determiners. Examples: A. One primary teacher is absent today. B. A last period often starts late. 3. Distributive, either, neither, each, every, etc. Examples: A. Everybody has seen this movie. B. Each girl gets a set of textbook. 4. Quantifiers, some, any, much, more, less, several, etc. are called quantifier determiners. Examples: A. Is there any tea in the kettle? B. Could you give me some fruits? 5. Interrogatives. These words are used to formulate direct and indirect questions and exclamations. What, which, whose, etc. Examples: A. What thing did you buy from the exhibition? B. Whose book is missing? Grammar, connect. Apply knowledge of determiners to enhance reading comprehension. Determiners provide additional information about the nouns in a text.